In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sign-up form in Emma so people can subscribe and sign up to be on your email list. Log into Emma, make sure you're in the right group under the drop-down on the right, and then navigate to Audience. Now, when people sign up for your newsletter, you want to save the names. I think it's a good idea to save the names in one place. So check groups, see if you have a group here to save your names into a specific group. I do, I've got one here, I'm going to use that. Otherwise, create a group by clicking on the blue button on the far right, create a group, putting in a group name, and then clicking create. I already have one, so I'm going to skip that. Navigate to forms to create your form. I'm going to create a new form with that blue button on the right. Name your form. And now we're going to go through the prompts to set up our form. So under settings, I'm going to add subscribers to a group. This is back to selecting the group where you want your subscriber names to go to. I also want to receive notifications when people sign up to be on this list. You can pick every time, daily, or weekly. I'm going to pick weekly. And then just put in your email address to receive notifications of when someone signs up. And put in a comma and then another email address if there are other people that you want to be notified when someone signs up to be on your list. You also can track your subscription activity with Google Analytics. Log in to analytics.google.com if you have a Google Analytics account set up. Put in the code here, and then you'll be all set with that. Click Next after you've done those settings, and now we're at the place where we actually create the form. So it gives you some out-of-the-box text there, which you can change if you want. I am going to change the text. And I really recommend having some sort of branding that relates your subscription to the university so that it doesn't appear to be spammy or malicious. It just needs to be identified with UVM. So click on Form Image, and then let's see if I have a picture somewhere. Just going to drag an image over that upload area and make sure you put an alt tag here to describe for sight impaired users or keyboard or screen reader users what that image is about. Mine is decorative. It's just the shield for UVM. So I'm putting decorative in, which is the right thing to do for something that is, a logo, for example, or an icon, and then add that image to my form by clicking the blue button. I want to add a name to the form. Right now it's just email, so the blue button on top, add objects, add a field. You can add a custom field, or you can select from a list. I'm selecting from the list of pre-made form elements and asking for a full name, and then adding the field. I'm going to put that above the email by dragging that, clicking and dragging. I'm fine with everything else, CAPTCHA, consent, the submit button, etc. And so I am now going to click next. Okay, you also can customize the validation that the user sees that their form was submitted correctly. This is just a success message. You can use the out-of-the-box one that they have suggested here. You also can make a page in Drupal, put in the URL, and send someone to the Drupal page, a Drupal page that you make to let them know that they were successful in subscribing. And then there's people can also edit their email preferences. So when people interact with their name in the mailing list, or they've submitted their name to be on the mailing list, these are the messages that they would get to let them know of their success, and you can edit these. I'm going to leave these out of the box. It's fine for me. Click next. Oh, I must have to do something. Hold on. And sorry, this is a radio button, so only one can be checked, and I'm not doing the URL, so I'm going to click back on the default success message that appears in line. So then you get another preview of the form. I'm okay with that. I'm going to publish it. So when you publish it, Emma gives you links to and options to work with that form. So you can share a link like in an email. You can embed a link also in an email or in a website. You can embed the entire form on your website in an iframe. So those are your options. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add this form to Drupal. There are 3 different ways that you can do that, and I'm going to walk you through all 3.